freaking wood housing thing.
It's a Yuasa wood housing. It's from 1984, I believe.
84. If
Uh,
I was to go back into the 80s, I would go into 1984.
here.
I'd probably go into 1980.
Want me to turn it on now?
Yep.
What
Heck
speed?
yeah.
What speed?
Low. Nice. Those are the Mayfair blades?
No, those are the original blades. The top side's cane.
Mayfair. Decorative. Stuff.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay.
Guys, what was that?
Okay, that's...
Okay, sorry about that explosion thing. I'm not sure what that
Is that a
was.
gun?
I hope not.
I hope that it won't...
It sounded a little too deep to be a gun.
Yeah. Sound like maybe a firework, maybe?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's probably
It
fireworks.
was loud for a firework, but too deep for
Maybe
a
if-
gun.
Okay.
Maybe the fireworks are from like next door.
Okay.
If that's a gun, we should get inside.
If you want, I can
At least
turn it
we
off.
died doing what we loved.
Yeah. Let's just
That
hope,
doesn't sound good.
just hope the fan doesn't stay on.
That doesn't sound good.
Somebody is putting the basketball up on the roof.
Bangerang.
Here, there we go. You want me to turn it up?
Yeah. Stop pooping on the floor. You're pooping on the floor.
Should be on medium now.
It's loud.
I know, the bearings are freaking shot.
They're dick. They're never going to work again.
Yeah, this is. I don't have the switch cup on it.
I would greatly appreciate it if you would stop throwing the freaking basketball on the freaking thing. Thanks.
Yeah, the next fan we're either gonna put up is the Studio Series or the six-bladed.
Or the poop. Or the poops.
The Santa
The poop
Claus.
scooper.
The Santa Claus.
The Santa Cruz cheesecake. Cheesecake edition. Is that hot?
So,
Santa hot.
okay.
Someone won't stop farting. This is the candy for the Hunter Excalibur. One of the pieces. The rest of the feces for the Hunter Excalibur or somewhere else.
You guys,
I have no idea.
okay, after this, guys, you want me to do spin down?
Yes.
This fan's really slow.
And it wobbles.
Look how crazy the pull chain's going.
It's like,
Yeah, I ran this fan for like a half an hour and it was fine.
I'm gonna get under
looks
it.
stable.
It is. It's on a J-hook system.
Like a Hunter original. Which I do.
Hunter
which,
originals are on double claws.
Which is, it's kind of like, I do. Dan is loading me that 1930s.
Oh. Aren't you guys buying it?
I don't know for sure. What the heck is that? Let's do spinny down.
Okay.
Hang out of time! Get out!
We're not
Surprisingly,
doing the
that didn't scare me.
Okay. Yeah, this spin down is really, really short. Hey, I didn't realize I have a Coca-Cola clock. Cola. Okay. Yeah.
SpongeBob SquarePants. It's a box fan.
Then there's all my just junk.
There's a freaking bug.
There's a green light bulb if anybody wants it.
If there's a bug, guys, just ignore
There's
it.
something in my ear.
Okay.
What's in my ear?
Spin down's almost done because it's fan.
There's something in my ear.
Piece of junk, but it
Guys,
still
there's
works.
something in my ear. I think I got it out now.
Okay.
I hear now.
Okay.
Is there a bug in my ear? I don't know. Doesn't matter now.
Spin down's done. Yeah,
What
guys, I'll go ahead and unplug it because I have it on this plug. Oh, come on.
the frick was that in my freaking ear?
Probably a bug.
Probably bug.
Bug.
I'm scared of getting bugs in my ear. Boy.
Your ear.
Yeah. Boy.
So, I guess that's the end of our video.
That is the